Hello everybody, my name is Debbie Qaqish and I am the Chief Strategy Officer at the Pedowitz Group. And I would love to have you join me on January 29th to talk about a topic that I know is near and dear to all of your hearts. And that is, how do you become customer focused in a product-centric world? You know, we understand that so many marketers are struggling with this question. They're struggling with what is customer centricity, what is customer focus, and the really big question is, how do I move from being a product-centric marketing organization to one that's focused on the customer? Well, that is what we'll be talking about in this webinar. We'll give you some very practical steps that you can immediately implement that will help you begin operationalizing what it means to be customer-centric. So, I hope you can join us January the 29th. I look forward to seeing you then.